Chef Layton. I'm excited to compete on the first episode of Stanton Pemberthy Chopped. I'm excited to compete against my dad and my niece Charlotte. I could come in first, I could come in last, but I'm gonna try and push the envelope a little bit and try something different. We'll see how it turns out.
I'm Chef John from New Jersey. I've been the chef of a number of restaurants in South Jersey for many years now. And I intend to... Do I have to tell the truth on this? Actually, I've never cooked in a restaurant before in my life.
Hi, I'm Chef Charlotte. It's a great opportunity to be here today. I'm super excited. These two guys have both cooked way more meals than me. They're definitely uglier than me, but I believe that I can get first place and kick some butt.
Today we will be making something with pineapple, chicken, Reese's peanut butter cups, and goat cheese. There's an extra mystery ingredient as well, and that is ground cinnamon. All right, contestants, you have 35 minutes to make your meal. Begin!
I'm getting a little bit of orange juice and I'm going to marinate my chicken breast.
I am cutting my chicken before I marinate it, and I'm going to marinate in this Thai sauce.
Well, now that I hear Charlotte say that, I'm gonna take the peanut butter out of the Reese's and use that as a Thai-inspired marinade for the chicken.
Did you preheat the grill?
Okay. Pineapple in there, there'll be a little grilled pineapple. This gives me a chance to get a little fresh air.
A little more.
I'm going to make a topping of macadamia nut with the peanut from the Reese's Peanuts.
I'll try and make a flatbread. I'm gonna make my pizza dough from scratch. Time's gonna be an issue here. It could make me, or it could break me.
It's going a little slower than I hoped. I'm hoping I can get this done within the allotted time. We'll take a look at the other side.
Starting to cook.
Starting to cook, but it's going to need a little while.
That's gonna make sure that my flatbreads don't stick.
Right.
Just gonna get it started and get my other ingredients prepped.
What's that?
A decorative. Not too decorative though. I'm just going to take a short break and go to the bathroom.
I'm making my peanut sauce for my salad. And adding a little bit of extra just plain peanut butter.
Putting goat cheese on the flatbread. Maybe I'll just put some on, not all of it. I'm actually pretty happy with my flatbread so far, considering it's from scratch. Hope that browns up, we'll see. A lot of smoke. I think Chef John needs to check on his chicken.
The chicken's done. Yeah, it looks perfect, and the meat is still quite tender. Put the goat cheese right on top and let it melt down on this.
So Judge, what do you think of some of these different dishes? We have Chef Charlotte doing a teriyaki chicken salad with pineapple.
Sounds delicious.
We have Chef John doing a Hawaiian-inspired macadamia nut dish, and then we have Chef Layton working on a flatbread with the goat cheese melting. It's going to be very exciting to see how they turn out.
Where do we put that finished product?
You're done?
Yeah, I got it put together a little bit quicker than I thought.
10 minutes.
Not early. Should have spent longer in the bathroom.
Come on, guys.
I'm adding my chicken to the pan. And I wanted it to marinate as much as possible so we can get all that flavor. So that's why I'm waiting to the last minute to cook it.
Okay. Oven. Okay. You're gonna be okay.
I added my cinnamon into my sauce, so that's where that's going.
You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to complete your entree.
Hot pizza stone coming out.
a last minute addition.
Broil. Okay. Just on it.
22 seconds.
Oh, perfect.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Good job, Chef Layton.
This is what you can do when you know what you're doing in the kitchen. Judges, this is what I have for you today. It's a Hawaiian-themed dish with a grilled chicken thigh that has been marinated in orange juice and pineapple juice. It has encrusted macadamia nuts and the little bit of Reese's peanut butter cup and a hint of cinnamon just to bring the flavor of the islands. It has a little extra grilled pineapple to go with it and some mixed fruits. Enjoy.
I like the combination of the charred pineapple with the nut combination. I also like the fact that you can use the local wall hangings as part of the presentation.
The chicken is very tender.
I think it's very passable. I would give it to guests, friends.
I think the goat cheese could have been melted a little bit better. And not to be too critical, but the presentation really left a lot to be desired.
I like some of the things she said.
Did you hear the last thing she said?
Yeah, and I didn't particularly care for her comment.
Well, that's why we're here, to be honest about it.
That could come back to haunt Chef John.
Hello, chefs.
Hello.
What I've prepared is a flatbread with pineapple, goat cheese, chicken. Kind of has a little Hawaiian pizza type of inspiration. The flatbread I made from scratch. We did have instant dough, but I made it from scratch for you today because I know it chopped. You got to bring your A game or you go home. So enjoy. Thank you.
Chef Layton, how do we approach this? Do we
You can pick it up with your hands. Yeah, you can pick it up with your hands like you're eating a pizza.
Okay.
Just dive in. There you go.
Certainly seems like a big negative if you don't even know how to eat it.
Interesting combination of flavors.
Yes, it is. Could use a little bit of salt. Also, if this is an entree, I would have expected a little more chicken.
Let's see about this cinnamon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take points off.
You should have been doing this.
Hi judges, so today I'm presenting you with an Asian styled salad with a peanut sauce that was made out of the Reese's. And you have the chicken that's marinated in a Thai marinade, and the goat cheese sprinkled on top, and the cinnamon is also in the peanut sauce.
Here.
I like the goat cheese on top as opposed to incorporated throughout. A good balance of meat.
You're getting all the flavor except maybe cinnamon. That you said that's in the sauce. Let me just try the sauce over here. Oh, there it is.
I thought it was a tough at the top, but the one we chopped, I think needs to try again another time.
Yes.
Our first contestant that is chopped is Chef John.
Well, I knew I was up against two really good meals, but to be honest with you, I really thought I had it. I had it with the flavor, I had it with the creativity, but I'm not going to take it from the other two. They were good meals.
Okay, contestants, for our final round, our ingredients are puffed pastry shells, raspberry preserves, bacon, and the mystery ingredient is strawberries. Let's see what you can do.
Your time starts now.
And we're off.
I'm gonna get my egg wash.
Put in my bacon. A friend of mine recently told me the best way to cook bacon on parchment paper in the oven. Let's see if he's right.
I'm making my filling for my puff pastry. It's gonna be cream cheese and the raspberry jam.
I don't know. It's really liquidy. I don't know. I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna put a little heavy whipped cream and maybe put it in the freezer. Well, it's still going to be liquidy, but I'm going to put it in the freezer.
So for my bacon, I'm going to candy the bacon. So I'm going to cut up the bacon into relatively smaller pieces, and then I'm going to fry it, cook it first, and then I'm going to put some brown sugar in the pan, and then add the cooked bacon, and that will candy it once it's cooled.
I think I'm supposed to do this, but we'll find out.
You have a little under 8 minutes left.
She's candying the bacon. I gotta think of something. I don't know what it is yet. It's going okay. I'm learning as I go. I'm gonna start plating.
1 minute left, contestants. It's time to start plating.
It's too thick.
3, 2, 1, and stop. The round is finished.
Good job. Good job.
Good job to you. Here you go. So today I used the puff pastry and I put cream cheese and the jam inside of it. And then on the outside of that I have the candied bacon, and then I have the whipped cream and the strawberries to go together.
It's quite a combination of flavors. Puff pastry is done just right.
Has a crunch, which is nice.
Yeah.
And the chocolate on the top, I would have never thought of that. It's delicious.
Okay, judges, thank you very much. We have a puff pastry. We have two different options for you. One is using the majority of our secret ingredients, the berries and the strawberries, the jam and the strawberry. And then for the bacon side of things, I thought, what's better than salty with sweet, the vanilla ice cream. I hope the two different flavors kind of all work together for you. Enjoy, thank you.
The secret ingredient is good.
The pastry was baked perfectly, but the filling on this, I think, is a little bit soupy.
Well, I like the creativity of the cups.
So judges, what do you think?
Charlotte definitely won the first round. What
The
do you
second
think?
round, I think we have a really tight race. I think Chef Layton really made a tremendous comeback. Will it be enough? We'll have to see.
It's not an easy decision, but you need to make it. Let's see who you decide.
Okay.
You think you know who won?
I do.
I do too.
I don't know if we, I don't know if we agree.
Let's compare notes.
Under this is the dish that will be chopped. We are about to find out which chef will be eliminated and which chef will be the winner. Are you ready?
Ready?
Layton,
I had a great time today. You know, Charlotte definitely deserved to win, to beat me. Every dish, she did just one better than me. I had my Reese's peanut butter sauce marinating on the chicken. She made a Thai peanut sauce with the Reese's peanut butter cups. I had bacon, she had candied bacon. Every step along the way, she definitely kind of did one better than me, and I tip my cap to her. She deserved to win. I had a great time, and happy to be on this episode of Family Chopped.
I'm so happy that I won this. To be honest, going into this, I wasn't very confident. I know I sounded confident in the beginning, but I wasn't. I had a lot less experience than them too, but you know, I still won. I used my creativity and the stuff that I know about baking and flavor, and I was able to get first place.
Look at deer.
She said she's not going to use this. I just tasted Charlotte's peanut sauce. It is delicious. My mother was a rabbit.
Something about who do you think's your toughest competition?
Looks really good.
We have.
No.
How do I get back to it?
Oh my god.
Click the home button.
Chef John is doing something strange. He's offering the cameraman a macadamia nut.
You got it.
Yay! Oh.